Minnows are buckled into the car. Let's see what we can get with these. There it is. Walleye, pretty dull colored. Still cool. We'll go back, of course. All right, another one measured at 13.5 on the bump board. Not even big enough to keep, but like I said, we aren't keeping any anyways. Save the sharks, shark rescue. Awesome. Nice smallie here at the dam. Siren's going off. Don't know if the wind noise is too loud and can even be heard. We're gonna let this guy go. Another little Walter. Well, he's big actually. He's real big.